Hello everyone, this is Gruhini from Gruhinis World. No matter how many ways we cook chicken, it's always a new taste for every dish. Kadai is one of the delicious way we can prepare chicken, which makes it pretty good combination with roti and rice. In today's video, let's see how we can prepare Kadai Masala at home and make a super delicious chicken kadai. So, let's get started. Friends, did you see that? Spicy chicken pieces with capsicum and onion cubes really makes this dish a special one loved by many people. I'm sure you would definitely try this dish. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Also, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.